Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to create this kind of a text effect in Photoshop. First, let's import the image we need. Then let's remove its background. Go to select and then choose subject. Please subscribe our channel and join our family for more useful videos. It will be a great motivation for me to upload more exciting videos on a regular basis. When the subject is selected, create a mask, then resize the image as required. Next, let's type the text. Choose the vertical type tool and type the text. I will take the word bold. Set the following settings and start typing the text. Make sure there is no much space between the letters. After typing, resize the text and make it suitable to match the image and place it on the image. Take a copy of the image and place it above the text layer. Right-click on it and choose Create Clipping Mask. Open strokes options for the text and set the following settings. Next, choose Drop Shadow and do the following adjustments. Click OK. Choose the mask of the image layer below the text and choose black colored brush. Increase the hardness and size of the brush. Start erasing some areas of the image where it matches our effect. Okay guys, now our text effect is done perfectly. Hope you understood the process of making this text effect. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe to our channel and join the family. See you guys in another wonderful and exciting tutorial.